Welcome to another Tootsie Tuesday. Yes, I have lots of Tootsie toys, and this is one that I picked out of the bin. I thought was cool. It is a hot rod, is what it's called. Here's a link to the brochure that showed all the different Tootsie toys of this era, and this one is a hot rod. It looks like it's been loved. It's been painted by its previous owner. We're gonna go ahead and repaint this thing. Looks like originally it was a yellow, but I want to paint this a silvery reddy kind of a color. I want to see how that turns out. So let's get started with this. With Tootsie Toys, you start with stripping the paint. First, I use caustic soda with Tootsie Toys because it works fast and it gets the tires nice and hot, and I can just pop them right off once they are warm. So let's start with that, shall we? We've got the caustic soda ready. We'll throw in the car and the water. Give it a stir for luck. Working pretty quick. Sit in there for a minute or two. Alright, let's get those wheels off of there. Okay, we have 4 tires. Okay, got some plain old water here. Car in there. Rinse out this. There we go. TootsieToy USA. What do we want to do? We want to get some filing done on this. We got a little bit of cleanup there to do. Not much. Yeah, I think just a little bit of filing will do. Work on straightening out that axle. Break there. It's going to require some fixing. So this is Tootsie Toy, Chicago, USA. Alright, so now I got some work to do to fix that. Show you a trick I learned taking paint or for tape. Undo the tape, 45 degree. And you can rip it off, and now you've got it. Perfect. Haven't quite mastered speed on it yet, but getting there. Alright, the best tool. Good job. Tweezers. Let that sit and dry. Alright, let's get some detail painting done. I want to paint the back part of this like wood. Paint the engine obviously to look like engines with black, flat black. Exhaust pipes, blue, header covers, or not header covers, but valve covers. Silver, silver in the front, you know, stuff like that. So that is the plan. I'm going to start by taping. Dark brown. Make that all dry on the brush. A little bit more brown on this part at the back here, like it's back wheel is kicked up some dirt. There we go. That was quick. Okay, I think I'm going to do the radiator in red. Or not in red, in flat black. And then the top, let's get that in chrome as well, or silver. So here's the before of the Tootsie Hot Rod. You can see it was painted blue by the previous owner. Thought blue was a good idea, so he painted it blue. He also did some detail work on the engine as well. Did a pretty good job. And here is the after. You can see we have a nice red paint. I put a little flake in there of copper Vallejo paint. Mixed it in with the red a little bit, a couple drops here and there. I painted the engine block itself, it's red and blue, and painted the chrome and the exhaust pipes and all the other stuff, and cleaned up the tires, painted them with the black wash, and I think it came out pretty good. So thank you for watching Breathe the Factory Manual, this Tootsie Tuesday. We have more. Coming up on the 3rd is a whole new series for the channel. It's the Great Mojave Rover, and I know you're going to be like, what the heck is that? But It's a Mars rover, and I know you're going to love watching how I make this thing. It's all 3D printed. It's all computer controlled. And I'm going to show you, start to finish, how you can build one of these things. And if you've ever thought about coding, doing some coding on a computer, or know somebody who wants to learn how to code a little bit, I'm going to be doing a little bit of Python and PHP coding. So if you don't know what that is, but you know someone in coding who's interested in that, they'll certainly know what that is, and they'll think you're smart. And they'll be very appreciative of you pointing them to read the factory manual, to check out the Mars rover series. Don't worry, I'm still going to be doing a bunch of cars. They'll be coming out as well. But the Great Mojave rover, it'll be a once every 2 weeks. That's what I've got it scheduled to be, and it's going to be great. So thanks for watching Read the Factory Manual. Make sure you subscribe, tell your friends, hit the like. If you didn't like it, hit that dislike twice. And as always, have a great day.